Okay, guys, so we're going to be making French toast. I haven't made French toast in a long while. Um, but I do know that I like them with the egg and the milk. I like my French toast to be more on the savory side. I'm going to turn this on for a second so we can get this going. I like my French toast more on the savory side. I know that traditionally people put, like to put cinnamon in theirs. I don't really like the taste of cinnamon in my French toast. I just like them very simple. So I'm gonna do 2 eggs. Give me a second, guys. I almost forgot the most important thing of the French toast bread. But I do know that I like, my eggs and my milk in there and stuff like that. But I like them more on the savory side. Okay, so here we go with the eggs. Okay, we got 1 egg. Okay. Second egg. Okay, and to that I'm just going to add a little bit of milk. Just to thin it out enough so that I can soak my bread in it. You've got your 2 eggs in there. Just clean my hands a little bit here. Okay, and a little bit of milk, and this is just to thin out the egg. And I'm using a little bit of almond milk. Okay, let's see. I'm not sure if I can soak both of those slices in here. Okay, I think that should be enough. Okay, and I've got my bread. So I'm going to take 1 slice. We're going to soak it in there as much as we can. Do 1 side first. Second side. Okay, and I'm going to butter my pan here. And I like to use butter. I think I've seen people use oil or a combination of oil and butter. I'd rather just use butter. Okay, if you're still with us, please remember to subscribe. It only takes a second of your time, doesn't take any time at all. Okay, like that you get to see any other videos that I post. And it helps me with the algorithm. It helps to push up my videos with YouTube. There you go. Thank you very much. And those of you that are returning, welcome back. And those of you that are new, I'm glad to have you here. Okay, so we've got our first French toast in there. And there we go. Spatula. We're gonna let that cook a little bit on one side. And again, like I said, if you like your spices in your French toast, like cinnamon or allspice, nutmeg, um, whatever, you could just add it in there if you like. I really don't like it because it tastes then too much to me, like I don't know, it just reminds me of, it doesn't remind me of breakfast for some reason. I just prefer it this way. You know, the plainer the better for my French toast. Okay, I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Let me just check the screen. Okay. Let's check the underneath, how it's doing. I think it still needs a little bit more time. Okay, so as soon as it's ready, we're gonna flip that over. Okay, this looks like it's ready to be flipped. Let's see. Oh, I don't want it to get stuck. Let's put a little bit of butter on top of that. Let's see how that works. Okay, nice and brown. Nice and golden brown, that's the way I like it. I'm going to flatten it down a little to make sure that it cooks all the way through. Okay, I've seen other types. I mean, you make your French toast as you like it. I've seen other types. I've seen people make them with cream cheese. They also make stuffed French toast. Maybe we can make a video about that in the future. Different flavored French toast. You know, but I like mine, like I said, as plain as possible, simple as possible, and I like them savory. Okay, now with this remainder, we're going to add our second slice. Okay, and we're just going to let it soak up the rest of that egg mixture. That's looking very pretty. I'm going to plate this piece. Okay, set it to the side. Add a little bit more butter to our pan here. If you feel your pan is getting too high in heat, just move it to the side for a bit so it can cool off for a second. Okay, now we can add our second piece here. Now, so you don't, I don't like to feel like I'm wasting any of the remaining egg mixture, so what I do is I just pour it on top. And like that, I'm not throwing anything away. Okay, we're going to put a little bit of butter on top of this. So it's ready for when we flip that over. Okay, so our French toast is ready, just the way I like it. Beautiful. Right. Okay, there we go. That's our French toast. Let's get this pan out of the way. Alright, let me just, guys, bear with me. I just want to get my thumbnail picture. Alright, there you go. Alright, so we're going to taste this. Let's see what this tastes like. I haven't had French toast in ages. Alright. Ooh, nice. Nice and soft. Ooh, hot. Mmm. Very good. Mmm. Ooh, I should have blown on it a little bit more. I'll take another little piece. Oh, this is very good. Like I said, I haven't had this in so long. I can't even remember the last time I had it. But this is the way I like it. I like it very simple. Just the eggs, the butter, and the bread. Nothing else. Delicious. Guys, try the simple recipe. Add to it whatever you like. And thanks for coming by.